You're gonna want to watch until the end of this episode of Customer States. Otherwise, you may end up on the next video. This customer had their vehicle towed in when it broke down due to this.
So it seems that these ignition coils here, they've been taking swimming lessons. Yeah. 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 Oh. Wow. Can't even can't even see the plug in that one anymore. Or that one. Because, wow, that's about as bad as I've ever seen.
This brand new Ford Explorer had water getting into the vehicle and had to have the entire interior removed and replaced, costing over $26,000 in parts alone.
What 26 grand looks like for all interior parts for a 2021 Explorer ST. There's that pile. There's another pile. There's the seat covers and all the insulation, plus the drain tube. There's the airbags. All for this brand new 2021 ST that had a pond in it because of a water leak. So this whole interior is getting gutted on a vehicle with less than 8,000 miles on it. Yay, Monday!
Check out how easy the oil filters used to be on this old Toyota. Nowadays, they're a nightmare to get to and leak oil over everything when removing. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the check engine light is on.
I ain't gonna lie, I ain't seen it this bad. Whole bunch of exhaust putty. The chain. By the way, the chain is keeping up the exhaust. Cut O2 sensor, there's no wires. Toyota. Got a 90-degree angle here. Goes into a 45. Then we're on to the chimney. I don't even understand this. I mean, like, how's it not leaking out? I mean, no way to keep that sealed. Up and over the cross member. Then we come over here to the Chrysler.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they hadn't changed the oil in several years. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's an oil leak under the car and wanted to know why. This customer brought their vehicle in asking for the mechanics to look over the car for any rust.
All right. Oh, looks nice. Oh, You haven't seen the worst of it yet. Oh yeah. Cut right into the boot. Dude. Well, that's an air-cooled ball joint right there. It'll never go bad.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the engine was making a knocking noise and wanted to know why.
That looks good. Oh wait, something's missing. Wait. Oh, there it is.
This customer brought their vehicle in asking for an oil change after neglecting maintenance for years.
No, I've never seen it that bad.
What, they're pouring oil into the drain or something?
I ain't got a clue. It was overfilled and this is coming out.
That's the same.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they can hear a loud noise while driving and wanted to know why. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's a loud noise when driving.
No, leave him. Hold that.
Road's gonna get scared and drop it.
Yeah, take it. Go.
Wait, it's that on. Alright, put it in the box.
Go. Box! Into the box!
It's a rain.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they have an electrical problem and need it fixed. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's a coolant leak and wanted to know why.
Oh, that don't belong there.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the engine was making a knocking noise and needed a cheap and quick fix. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the transmission is slipping. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that there's a coolant leak and needed it fixed. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the steering wheel is pulling to one side at high speeds.
So I'm over here inspecting this piece of alright, everything's blown out. But if you come check over here, this ball joint is just hanging on for dear life.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they need a wheel alignment as their car is pulling to one side.
Jesus.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that their tires keep losing air and need it fixed for cheap.
Can you just check the rims? I don't think I might have a hole. Oh yeah, buddy. Look, holy they split that thing all the way around.
That one's split too.
That is a whole. That's a whole ass.
The other one's split too. Not as bad, but
Holy crams.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the transmission is slipping.
Reverse. Absolutely nothing. Neutral. Absolutely nothing. Drive. Reverse.
This customer brought their vehicle in stating that the brakes are squeaking.
this right here, OEM Plus.
Factory. This is for heat dissipation. Performance.
I can put my finger in it.
I want to see what the inside of the rotor looks like.
This customer towed their vehicle in after driving it around like this for years. This customer brought their vehicle in like this and wanted it fixed for cheap.
That is ridiculous.
I think I need to change that sensor.
Yeah, it might be damaged.
I hope it comes on the new one.
Fingers crossed.
This customer brought their vehicle in like this and wanted it fixed for cheap. This customer brought their vehicle in stating that they could smell smoke whenever they drove the car. Please subscribe for more mechanical headaches.